Hi, we'll be solving a sequence problem today. So if the terms of a certain sequence are defined by the equation a of n is equal to a of n minus 1 plus n, that means a of n is equal to previous term plus n for all values of n, then what is the value of a of n in terms of a of n plus 1? So if we use this pattern and replace n with n plus 1, so we can write a of n plus 1 is equal to the previous term, which is a of n plus this value, which is n plus 1. Now we have to find a of n in terms of a of n plus 1. So we can rearrange this to have a of n is equal to a of n plus 1. This n plus 1 will go to this side and will become negative. So minus n minus 1. So answer will be option number D, where you have a of n plus 1 minus n minus 1. Now, if you want to find similar problems and also want to learn the theory of sequence, do check out the theory video and the playlist provided in the description of this video to master the concepts of sequence. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.